Good morning guys, today we've got here OPPO Find X9 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes. So if you wish to use secret codes, you have to open your phone dialer, as this is the panel in which they should be entered. The first one pretty simple, also the short one is *##06#. This one is super useful because anytime you need your IMEI number right now is the quickest way to reach it. So once you need to check your warranty or whatever and you need this number, just enter the code and it's right in front of you. As you can see, also EID number is included here. Tap on OK to exit. Then another code that you can use here is *###426 #*##. And this is FCM Diagnostic Panel, in which you can check events and status. If you'll tap on more icon, you can explore more information, just mark advanced view, and here it is. And that's it for this one. And the last one that I would like to show you today, it's *### again, 225 #*##. And here we've got the calendar info. So all calendars connected with this device, all the events included there would be displayed right here in one place. So from now on, it's super easy to stay up to date, to be aware of the all upcoming events and not to forget about them. So that's it. Actually, these are all codes that I wanted to show you. Use them this way whenever you need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.